Indian icon. And let's go to our judges.
Hello, my name is Dev Pensemuchia, and I am 13 years old from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm excited about sharing one of my favorite philosophical songs with the audience and hopefully making them feel the emotions I feel when singing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Dev Mirchia, and he will be singing Zindagi Ka Safar.
जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं है ये कैसी डगर चलते हैं सब मगर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं
Have you seen this movie?
I've seen the movie.
Have you seen this song?
I've seen the song. I know the translation. I don't speak Hindi though.
Okay. So, who is the hero on which this song is picturized? You know his name?
Ridesh Khanna.
Yeah, you are looking just the same, man. How could you bring that tone in your voice, like Kishore tone? It's at such a young age.
I just try to communicate the feeling of the song, and it's one of my favorite songs.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Give him a big hand, please.
And how do you think you did up there?
I'm not sure. I just try to convey what I felt was the meaning of the song.
And what were you singing?
I was singing Zindagi Ka Safar.
Oh wow, that's a very hard song. And you think you did well? Were you happy with your performance?
I enjoyed my performance, so in total, I'm happy with it.
Hi, my name is Gayatri Vasudev. I'm 15 years old. I'm going to be singing today, and my biggest supporters have always been my family and my friends. I'm so excited to be part of this competition. Thank you.
Guys, coming up next is Gayatri Vasudev, and she will be singing Savarlu.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से टूट गए गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं हर सवार लूं
Very nice, very nice, very
Thank you.
nice. Were you nervous?
A little, but it's okay.
Okay, but you performed very well.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's go to the judges. Anupama ji.
ये गाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया और बहुत सिंपली आपने गाया इस गाने को बहुत अच्छा लगा
Thank you.
अच्छा लगा आपका एक्सप्रेशन बहुत अच्छा था सो बस थोड़ा सा और आप लर्न करें क्लासिकल सीखे तो आपको थोड़ी सी इसमें जो हरकतें हैं वो आपको आ जाएंगी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच अनुपमा जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। अनुपमा जी, आप जब बोलती हैं ऐसा लगता है कि लता दीदी बोल रही हैं।
Hello, my name's Gio Tawa and I'm 12 years old. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm really excited. I hope the judges enjoy my performance.
आपको भी और अब पूछते हैं जजेस साहिबान से कि उनको आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी लगी और टिप्स क्या हैं।
जस्ट अमेजिंग, और आपकी मैं कोई गलती नहीं निकाल सकती क्योंकि आप बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं। गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
So how did your performance go?
I think I did great. In the beginning, like I couldn't hear my voice because the track was over sounding, but I think I did good.
So what were the judges' comments like?
So they said I did really good. They thought that my voice was perfect for the song.
So how is it like competing with international people?
It's kind of scary sometimes because they're like from everywhere and we don't know how good they are. But like it's not always about a competition. It's about like that you like doing something.
I'm really excited to be here. It's like a great honor to meet such a legendary musician, Jatinji. So I've met Lalitji before, but I haven't met Jatinji before. So I'm really scared. I'm really nervous. I mean, everyone's nervous, but then I'll get over it.
Coming up next is Om Guha, and he will be singing the song Sajda.
तेरी काली अखियों से जिद मेरी जागे, धड़कन से तेज दौड़ू सपनों से आगे। अब जान उठ जाए ये जहां छूट जाए, संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं। सजदा तेरा सजदा करूं मैं, तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं। तेरा सजदा सजदा Thank you.
Sajda, Sajda, क्या बात है दोस्त. You learn classical. Without a classical background, I'm sure you can't think of attempting this kind of song for sure. So great job. I was thoroughly enjoying myself, and I could realize you were enjoying. The audience over here, I could see them enjoying. So let's go to our judges and see what they have to say about your performance.
देखो बेटा, क्या है ना कि तुम में सारी खूबियां हैं, लेकिन खूबियों को तुम्हें कैच करना नहीं आया। तुम्हारा गला तैयार है, तुम्हारे में रूदारी है, तुम्हारे में वो सारी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं जो एक सिंगर में होनी चाहिए।
बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
Thank you, judges, for the valuable feedback. One big round of applause for Om.
How was it? How'd you do?
At first, I felt very nervous. Like, I mean, everyone feels nervous at first. Like when they're singing in front of like such a prestigious person such as Jatinji. So everyone is bound to like feel nervous. All right.
But do you think you did good?
Yeah, I think overall I did good. But yeah, he said that I could improve on these parts, like saying like wherever you're weak, you have to learn how to like cover it up. Otherwise, I think he said something like it's one of the best performances I've heard so far.
You know, there is this thing where, you know, in India they think that Indian talent is only in India. But I believe that for me, I can prove to the world that Indian talent lies all across the globe. So that's what I bring to the table.
Up next is Rishabh Shah, and he will be singing Chandi Jaisa Rang Hai Tera.
चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। तू जिसको मिल जाए वो हो जाए मालामाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल।
ऋषभ,
Thank you.
ऋषभ,
Thank you.
ऋषभ, man.
Thank you.
हम लोग जजेस की तरफ चलते हैं, देखते हैं उन्हें क्या कहना है इस बारे में। आहा, क्या बात है।
Since the time we have started this and kids and all the seniors and juniors are singing, they're doing a wonderful job. But this is the only voice which has a character. To have a character in the voice is very, very rare and very good if it has. For his age, his volume, his depth is too good. And if he practices with somebody who is knowledgeable, I can assure you that he can make it Bombay Film Industry.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
Guys, this is huge. Huge, huge. Great job. Great job.
Thank you.
One big round of applause for our friend right here. Awesome performance, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm super excited. Yeah, I have no words. I'm just super excited. It was just crazy when he came up to me, and I was about to start crying. I really felt like something happened, and man, I can't express it in words. It's crazy, man. He said that I would do a single with him, and I'm very excited for that. I'm very grateful for him. He's such a legendary artist. The only thing I could do is, you know, pray to him and pagilag him. Such a great guy. Thank you so much, though.
Hi, my name is Sharanya and I'm 10 years old. I come from Illinois and I'm really excited because this is like my first time participating in the 3II competition.
नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरे तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। चुराना सनम बदल के मेरे तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम.
Very nice, very nice. Love those. Tum mere. Oh, those cross lines were amazing. Okay, let's hear from Anupama ji.
मुझे तो ये आश्चर्य हुआ, ये बहुत हाई नोट का गाना है और उन्होंने इतना अच्छा गाया वो हाई नोट.
Cross कमाल ही थे. जी, जी.
कमाल है, कमाल. Outstanding.
Thank you.
Very nice. Keep it up.
Thank you very much for amazing, useful tips. You did a great job.
What was it like? Like, how did you feel being up there in front of all those people? And, you know, did you get good feedback from the judges? Is that what you were expecting?
Well, I was expecting the answer, like what the judges said, and I was a bit nervous at first, but I started to I overcame that nervousness. Like, I felt better.
International Indian icon.
How I feel about performing and going on stage? Well, I'm a little nervous, but I'm really excited to go and showcase my talent of singing, and I'm just really excited to be here.
Is Soham Deshpande, and he will be singing Abhi Mujh Mein Kabhi.
जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छू मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा. Thank you.
मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा. One big round of applause for Soham Deshpande.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
I think it went really well. I was really excited before to go on stage, and I'm pretty sure that I felt that excitement when performing, and I loved it. Well, this isn't the first time I've performed in front of a live audience. I've been doing classical music and non-classical music for a long time, and I've performed in front of many live audiences.
Friends, please put your hands together for Shreya Shrikant, all the way from Canada.
प्रभा
पूछते हैं अनुपमा जी से कि ये परफॉर्मेंस उनको कैसी लगी।
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
वो हिंदी भी नहीं जानती, मराठी भी नहीं जानती, बट उन्होंने मराठी इतना अच्छा गाया। उन्होंने हमें इंडिया याद दिला दिया, बॉम्बे, महाराष्ट्र आपने याद दिलाया। थैंक यू सो मच, कीप इट अप।
Thank you very much, Anupama ji. Thank you very much for your encouraging words. Thanks. Wonderful performance. Big round of applause, please.
So, how do you do? How was it there? Tell me everything.
Okay, so I was super nervous, and I'm just really glad it was over. It's not my first time on stage, but it's definitely first time on a big stage.
How was it traveling all the way from Canada just for this?
It was definitely a long travel, and it was super tiring, sorry. But I think it was worth it.
I really want to win this competition because I think it's a great platform to showcase your talent, and my aspiration is to become a playback singer in the future, and I really hope that this is the key to my dreams.
मुंह के धागे, one of the beautiful composition by Anu Malik. मोनाली ठाकुर जी ने बहुत बढ़िया से गाया. Got a lot of nominations at Filmfare and IFA Awards as well. हम लोग बढ़ते हैं अपने judges की तरफ and see what they have to say about this performance.
It was so pleasing to hear, all the time. It could go on for a longer time also. Very nice.
Wow.
But you tell me you're singing, this type of singing is not in USA. It sounds as if you're from Bombay. You are done.
Awesome. और जतिन जी आपने नोटिस किया होगा इन्होंने अपने गुरुजी का नाम लिया तो तुरंत हाथ यहाँ कान पे गए, which is such a big tradition which we all follow from India. So false line. Great job. One big round of applause for Shripriya once again. Thank you.
I feel really good because I've grown up here too. I've studied here for past 4 or 5 years, and Jatin sir, I respect him very much as a composer, and he told me that my pronunciation was good, which was actually one of my weaknesses. So I'm really happy.
Well, that's amazing. And is this your first time here in 3i or?
This is my second time actually. Last time I came, I prepared a lot, but I got a really bad sore throat. So this time I was really hoping to do well, and I'm just hoping for good results.
I'm so excited for this competition because I love to sing and perform, and this is a really great opportunity for me to share my talent.
Friends, please put your hands together for Tanisha Khabir, all the way from New Jersey.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going back till I lose count. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night, till my tears are so dry. But tonight, all for tonight, 'cause I'm just holding on for tonight, 'cause I'm just holding on for tonight, all for tonight, all for tonight.
Chandelier from Sia's 6th studio album. My goodness, my goodness. All those falsettos, your landing notes, holding notes, my goodness, it's delivered all today. What do you say, audience? Alrighty, you got the response. Now let's hear the expert comments. Sir, Jatin sir.
See, the most important thing in performance is that you have to get completely engrossed and involved. That's what you did.
Wow!
Thank you.
What an amazing comment by Grandmaster. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. You almost done.
How were the judges' comments?
I really appreciated them, and they were like really helpful for me to like grasp really what I did well, what I need to work on. You know,
That's good. That's good. Yeah. So, how is it like to perform in front of a celebrity judge and such a huge audience?
well, I've performed in front of audiences before, but like nerves and everything come to play. But I think once I got on the stage, I was really excited, and I was able to deliver a power-packed performance.
Tanvi Sanawali from Atlanta.
महसूर्यचन्द्रादिनेत्रं पवित्रं महागाढतिमिरातकं सौरगात्रं महाकान्तिबीजं महादेव्यतेजं भवनीसमेतं भजे मञ्जुनाथम् ॐ नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च सुगतराय च भवहराय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथं शिवं शिवं डं डं डडं डं डडं डं डडं डं डङ्कादिनादन.
Tanvi. All right. May I request a big round of applause for all the parents who are putting so much of hard work behind all the kids' performance. Shall we go to our judges and see how they like the performance? Is that a good idea? Shall we? Okay, let's go to our judges.
Tanvi, wow, amazing voice, amazing singing, and all Sanskrit word, how to learn? बहुत अच्छा है, इतने कम एज में इतना सारा गाना हम तो सोच भी नहीं सकते। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बेहतरीन गाया और वी आर इम्प्रेस्ड, सो ब्यूटीफुल। थैंक यू,
Awesome.
गॉड ब्लेस यू, या ऑसम।
Thank you, Anmanji, for the nice word. One big round of applause for Tanvi.
Did you enjoy your own performance? Were you satisfied with it?
Yeah.
So, what did the judges say about your performance?
They said like they're very impressed.
That's good. So, are you happy?
Yeah.